Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the dispenser switch in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a putty knife and a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new dispenser switch. The dispenser switch is located inside the dispenser. The switch, when the dispenser pad is pressed, actuates the water valve for the water dispenser. If water won't dispense when the pad is pressed, the dispenser switch should be checked and replaced if needed. I'm going to remove the drip and drain trays. First, slide it out, and I'm going to lift the back up a little bit and continue sliding out. Now we need to open the door and remove this door handle. It's maybe not a necessary act for 100%, but I would recommend you to do that. You will see why. We're going to use a Torx 10 screwdriver to unscrew those two set screws. And now we can remove the handle. Okay, now we can close the door. Next, we're facing a little touchy task. We need to remove this dispenser assembly. It has a bunch of clips on around the frame, and it's kind of a weird design, and you probably will break one or two of those tabs, but it's okay because it's still going to hold. Try not to break 50% of them off. We're going to use a putty knife and place it here in the corner. We're going to start from the bottom, obviously, and pry it off. And then the sides, that's why we took off the handle, because we need this little lever here. And then the opposite side, we need to pull out the dispenser assembly and place it down. I'm going to support it on my belt. I'm going to take this two Phillips screws using a Phillips screwdriver. So I'm going to use my left hand and I'm going to push the funnel out. Careful, don't lose anything. And this is the switch that we're going to replace. We can simply pull it off. Place the funnel aside. And now we can pull the wires off the switch. Grip it and pull. This is the old dispenser switch next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. I'm now going to connect the wires to the new switch. You can't put it the wrong way because of this already plastic bracket already mounted. Then I'm going to get this ice funnel. It goes in this way. So we're going to install the switch. It's going to be mounted on those two pins. And then we're going to install the actuator. Then I place everything in. I'm going to put wires into this cutout. And install the funnel. Before we're going to tighten this couple of screws in, I'm going to check it. I'm going to press on the lever. As you can see, it works. Now we can install the screws back in to secure the funnel. I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver. Don't tie it too tight because we're dealing with the plastic. Now we're going to install the dispenser into the door. Align it with the opening. And I'm going to press in. All right, now I'm going to open the door so we can put the handle on. I'm going to match these holes with 2 pins. Then I'm going to use the Torx 15 screwdriver and I'm going to tighten the set screws. Push it in. So we're going to tighten that top set screw first. And it's same Torx 10 screwdriver. And then I'm going to tighten this one at the bottom. Alright, now I'm going to close the door. I'm going to install the trays back on. We need to slide these 2 grooves onto these 2 rails. Okay, now it's on. Push it back in. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.